See how that goes. How loud that is. Live in 16 hours. That's a terrible time. Okay. Can I change the settings? Okay. I guess that's fine. Okay. Like some scrolling text. And I reckon that would be really cool. How do I do that? Text. Like this. I'm gonna call it scrolling. Oh, that's gonna be nice when I click on the mouse there. Okay. Is some nice keyboard ASMR. Again. To change my natural muscle. Ought to do it. No, it's Dang it, I don't know if I can keep writing, whether or not it's going to make an actual proper, we'll see. Smooth jazz is get those. Okay, I don't know if that's going to work. Where's that? There. Okay, that's pretty big. I don't know how long that was there for. Shrink that down. No. Yes. Oh, come on. How do I change this? It's text transfer. No. I can't make it smaller. I literally can't make it smaller. Okay. We'll just put it there. Then we'll do this. Where is it? Add effect. I've done this before. I know what I'm doing. Filters. Oh yeah, watch this. We'll do this. And then we do scroll. Okay. And then what does this bad boy do? Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. And then we'll give it a gradient. No, we won't do that. What color should we give it? A nice orange, or a dark blood green. No, an off-white. like a cream white. Perfect. Nice. A strong blue. Perfect. There we go. How's that? How's that? No. Just lock it. Just lock it. Just lock it, please. Just lock it. That's all we need. Hey, this isn't supposed to be amazing anyway. Amazing quality. This is just supposed to be something I'm putting together. Looking good. Looking bad. It was good for a split second. That looks like I've dropped out a bunch of frames from the network and rendering. That's what you get for trying to use a really old computer. It doesn't mind 3 megabit. I like it. I might drop that. I don't know if I just broke it. I think I just broke it. Never mind. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, I fixed it. I'm amazing. I know. I'm just that good. I'm really good. And then I can see my drop frames. Then my stats, which are back. Let's reset that. That's alright. This is literally, I can watch it drop quality right now. Oh, see how it looks on the phone. Incredible. Amazing. Oh, the freaking chat. No, you're going. I'm gonna get this out of here. This is bad. I'll just have to record it in post. Can I not right click? Is my computer broken? Let's delete this. I can. Okay, good. Go away. I've got a side here. I don't know what to put over here. We'll see. I don't know. I'll put like cool people's names over there or something. I can put more text. I can put text scrolling downwards. Oh no, I'll put a little gif of a man. What encapsulates me greatest? A little skeleton. See if I can get a. See if I can get. Which one of these is good? I need a little dancing boy. Need a little dancing boy. Where is he? Is this one good? Oh, this internet's snappy. That's perfect. That's perfect. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but it's pretty good. Let's see if it'll work. So we just go here, and then we'll do media source, right? I don't know if it's this or I should really actually do just an image. Look at him. He's having fun. He's cute. He's just doing his best thing. Let me just hold on. Let me just fix him up. Fix him up. I gotta make him look good. I gotta make him look pretty. Where is it? I think it's chroma key. Right? Custom color. I want black. Whoops. Wait, why did that delete him? My laptop is barely holding on. Oops. He's gone. He got removed from existence. Let's just remove that. I don't know what it was. What was the what was it, this one? Video delay. No, it has to be the bottom. I can tell it's a setting that's off my screen. No, it isn't. Render delay Luma key. No. Look at him just freaking dance. Okay, here we go. Image mask. Yep. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. I'm sure. Oh no. It's not. It can't be an image. Then, well, it's got to be chroma key, right? So opacity 1, key color type, custom color, select color.
You are listening to 24/7 online radio.
I am. Yes, I am. That doesn't work either. Let's just delete that filter and then we'll Google it, see if we can find out exactly what that is. Ooh. That's quick. Color key filter. Remove any instances of the given color from the source. So this color key, right? Color key. Look at it. It's just like that. Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. Now this is looking. We've been dropping frames. Oh, I'm just way behind on this thing, apparently. There we go. So hot. I mean, he's so cool. Okay, we put him like this. Then we get another one. And move him down. This. There. Just put that on top. And then both of these are going to have another filter. Oh, this is gonna be so good. But it's a scroll filter. That. Boom. And vertical speed. Let's see it goes down. Look at him go. Perfect. Look at that. Come on. Oh my goodness. This freaking streaming thing is easy. The streaming thing is easy. This end of this microphone is going to get capped and I'm gonna die. The streaming thing is so easy. Okay, alright. Now, time to get this thing fixed. So this is a Up Mini 3D printer. This is one that I got from school. So I don't have a lot of experience with fixing 3D printers. I'm going to be 100% honest with you right now, and I don't want to lie. I just want to be honest. Drop the desktop audio, just this one monitoring device is what this is basically. And so the big complaint from it that I got, actually I'm looking at the back end here. I haven't even cleaned it. I'm such a terrible. I don't even print it. Is it because the printer head is in the other one? Have I just messed up the entire screen before I started? Because this thing doesn't even have a printer head. Yeah. I think I've messed that up. Yeah, the printer head is in the other printer, which means I have to go on a journey and leave this stream here. So 0. It's just gonna be me. It's just gonna be an empty desk with the scrolling letters and the dancing skeleton. Is that viable? Is that alright? That should be a stream. It could go backwards like 5 minutes. I'll put it in the chat. Gone to go collect the printer head for the printer. Be back in 5 minutes. Give or take 5 minutes. There you go. Which is a complete lie, if I have to be honest. An absolute lie, because I'm not going to be back. That's silly. Test, 1 2 1 2. I can't just delete. No, I can't. That's just what I have. Well, I guess I'll just leave the stream as is. I'll be back. Don't go anywhere, everyone. I'll be back. Hope I can find the printer heads. Ugh. I'm back. It was a long walk. I don't know why I do that to myself. Everything seems to be going good. Okay, this is the other one. Not that it's going to show up very easily. Now I have to deal with two of these fucking things. Right. Okay, so there's about 30 seconds of delay. That's a bit annoying. I don't think I can reduce that. I didn't do that on purpose, did I? I hope I didn't do that on purpose. Is there any way to change that? The answer is no. It is what it is. Okay. So, this one here is the printer with the heads inside, I think. There you go. It's just the power cord. Okay, so you got more power cords. Show that. And put that there. Then, what do we have here? Well, what do we have here? We have a head shoved up against the build plate. And what do we have on the other side? Do I just have one quick printer? Ends up. Oh, I don't have two heads? Okay, well. This one, it looks completely gutted. This one, I think I can fit. So this one over here. And I'll fix it up at another time. Literally, he says, it's just dying. I need a pop. Just to clean it so I don't have to deal with all the definitely. Shove this right back in there. Well, I mean, I can still take the servos, the set motors, from this one down this, the one that apparently isn't going well. I can use them for something. And then this one, I should use the 3D print, which means I only have one instead of two. I thought I had two, so you know, win some, you lose some. I found it. Well, I didn't find it, but I had a bin in my room. Right. Let's check how this. Bin in my room. Bin in my room. Bin in my room. There we go. Lovely. I just want to be able to say the words bin in my room and be picked up on the thing. That's pretty much it. Yeah, and I'm going to be putting all this dust all over myself. What a great thing. Don't call me an idiot. I mean, I think they do. I mean, maybe at some point. I've definitely been called an idiot before. Doesn't even look that much cleaner on the camera. That's because we run at 0 pixels, baby. This even still has filament in it, so at least I can pull out the filament out of the head. What I'm going to do as a step one is maybe, what the heck is even this? I don't even know. I've never opened one of these before. Actually, that's the torch. Here we go. Here we go. Never mind. Is this a rechargeable torch? Can I recharge it? Or do I recharge it with the USB-C? USB mini. USB mini. Let me plug it in. Normally they recharge, the recharging is a small one, and then the USB-A is the... Ow. I don't have the lamp. But I do have this thing. No matter how bad it is, it does work. It says in some sweet tunes on my headset, which, if you look close, this headset only has one earmuff because it is cooler than your headset. It is cooler than your one. It just is. So, I don't know, we'll angle it up. It'll take a little year to show. But we've got a printer head there that I need to take out. That apparently is jammed. So I just need to find a way to drop this bed. Yeah, I think I'll just yank on the stepper motor. So what happened? I yank on both stepper motors? One stepper motor? I'm literally listening to Japanese friggin' visual novel music right now. Can I not get that to drop unless I ask it politely? Is that my life right now? Oh no, it's stuck to the printer head. There we go. Literal trash. I mean, it's not trash. It feels like trash. I just showered and I'm covering myself with dirt. Okay, so let's get this build plate out. Come on. They don't call me Strong Fingers Alan for nothing. I mean, they don't call me anything, but I mean, I wish they called me that. Anyway, there we go. Pull it out. So, show this to the camera. See if it picks it up. I don't necessarily think it will. I need to put like a second scene in with the zoom in. That little spot there, that was where the printer, I don't know, the previous guy who owned this paused it. It's such a mess. He just drove the printer head into this thing repeatedly and like melted it along these lines. These lines are actually divots in. It's insane. It's insane. Or it just makes me feel sad. It just makes me feel so sad. And now I have to try and also get this. I don't know how to get that. Hold on. This is my special kit. I'll hold it up here for the camera. I'll hold it up here for the camera. So this is an iFixit kit that I got because I'm a little bit fancy. We're a little bit fancy down here. Let's go through this. Let's see. The answer is no. I'm gonna need something with a bit more gusto, a bit more oomph, with a bit more pep in its step. I can just get under this and lift it up.
You are listening to 24/7 online radio.
You are listening to 24/7 online radio. Oh yeah, the camera shakes. I can't fix that. It's attached to a bookcase. And it's shaking. Oh, it's because I'm touching the cord. Ooh, sorry. My bad. I hope you can't forgive me. Actually, I've got a replacement build plate right here, so I don't need to do this. Look at that. Look at that. Screw you. Try. Okay, so I don't need this anyway. I was just for showing it off. For showing it off. So every day you get to see a full iFixit kit in front of you, streamed live to one person. Me. I watch my own streams all the time. I like to be, I wouldn't say self-centered, self-serving. I find myself a bit of a philanthropist. Not that I can help many people, or even myself, or want to. Let's take this case off. Okay, so the first step is removing this white plastic shell off the outside. I just want to get the top off. How do I do that? Gross. Oh. They could not have made it worse. Also, there's a ton of grass under it because I put it down on the ground. like a mongoloid, like an absolute. Hey. I don't want to say I'm cracked, but I have a 200 hours in My Singing Monsters. Kind of a big deal in the My Singing Monsters community. Not really. I don't want to talk to any of them. But you know, I just start up My Singing Monsters, and then all of a sudden I'm $5 million richer, working out those tactics. You know me. I mean, it's nothing big. It's nothing big. That's like an afternoon. That's like just it's an easy thing. I get it done. You know what I'm saying? When the boss wants it done, I get it done. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. That's what he say, Johnny. I need you. I got big business, Johnny. I got big business plans, Johnny. I say, okay. I say, boss. You know what I am. I'm your bestest boy, boss. I'm John. I'm John, boss. I'll do anything you need. I don't know where this is going. I'll do anything for you, boss. I'll do anything. You know who I am. I'm Johnny. I'm your bestest boy, boss. How do I get these hinges off? How do I get these hinges off? I'm trying to say it in the same accent, but it's not working. Yeah, boss. I'm your bestest boy, boss. I'm your bestest boy, boss. John! I need you to go out and I need you to take care of business, Johnny. You got it, boss. I'll help you. Right away, boss. I'll help you. Johnny, you know I can always trust you. My boss changed to a different. I couldn't stick with the Italian accent, although, I don't know, it's like the American Irish or the American, I'm not particularly sure, but it's about respect. That's what they all talk about. They talk about respect. I'm just going to disassemble this thing. I guess that's what yeah. You're just disassembling it. That's the decision we've made now. Do I have a thicker? No, I don't. I'm not going to finish that sentence. At least not on this platform. You think. So right now I'm just taking all the screws off the window. Like so. I can't, but I'm going to try. Oh, there we go. It was just magnetically locked in. And I'll take the other screw off. Wow, this is nice. I don't even have to think for this. The content just makes itself. As I unscrew. There we go. Now, window pops off. Easy. Snaps off. Is it going to snap? Snap. 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 Okay. Snap. What? Brother, just remove thyself. Okay, awesome. Look at that. Front window removed. All temperature control gone. I didn't even have to do that. I don't know why I did that. That is a heck of a magnet. Oh. Yeah, you had to take the front. It's an integrated system. That's what it's an integrated system, okay? That's what it is. Yeah. I have to take the magnet. This will be nice because I can use the magnets to hold all the screws together if I can get to them. If I can get one screw in there. So some of these screws are not like the others. So those ones are over there. There's that one. That one good there. Not that I can see much under there anyway. There we go. Now, well, sorting screws is for the mentally sufficient. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Now we can get to the hinges. Now we can take off the stupid door. I want this screw. And I want these magnets. So there's magnets in the door here to hold it shut. I sound like a third grader pointing out like, oh miss, there's magnets in the door holding it shut. What, Johnny? I love it when you've just got such a way with words. Your son, Johnny, we've moved him up into the special education. Moved him up into the special education regiment because we see that he has just such a way with words. He's so incredible. He's so advanced for his age. Johnny here has been moved up into the special education bracket. We have found through judicious testing of his mental faculty that Johnny here is far ahead of his peers. And we considered it personal harm to his potential to leave Johnny in the same classroom as his friends. So Johnny had to leave his friends in the interest of us. Poor Johnny. But that's all right. He'll get over it. Thank you. So I had to disassemble this door into 3 parts to get to the 1 part. That's just ridiculous. That it's an integrated system of 3 components that all have to mesh together to deliver a final result of a whole door with a sealed hinge system. Did I not have to take that off? No, I didn't. I didn't have to take all those things off for the door. No, I did. Wait, what are you talking about? I did have to take them off. Like, if I didn't take them off, the door wouldn't have been able to come off. I don't know what you're talking about. None people viewing the stream. I don't know what you're talking about. It was that simple. There we go. I'm just going to put everything back and hide my dignity as well. This thing is going to keep catching on the thing, and I'm going to go insane. Okay, well, damn it. Cool. Here you go. Put it back. This is what you get for not getting a guide or something online. There we go. Yeah, point that light directly at the friggin' directly straight at everything. How's the stream health? Stream is healthy. Yeah, better be. Look, as long as this computer doesn't lose battery while I'm streaming, I'm happy. Actually, that's gonna be a problem. I hope it don't. I hope it's streamed. I hope it's. So this is a laptop that I had from 2012. Quite old, actually. And over the years, I've like updated it with like a little SSD, and then I tried to increase the RAM at some point. I could probably jump the RAM again, give it a bit more, go up to like 16, because at the moment I'm chilling on a delicious 8 GB. Actually, no, it's DDR3. That's why it's only 8 GB. Yeah. This bad boy still runs DDR3 RAM. Nothing like those DDR2 suckers. Like those DDR2 pieces of poo. Huh. Destroyed by my hand. Destroyed by the strength of this baby outdoes Russian computing systems. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you, compare this 13-year-old laptop to the best one in Russia. No problem, no issue. You think you're big, strong. You think it, but you're not. There we go. Okay, so there's one door again. Put that there. Stay. Now I'm just going to take off the feeder tube. Yeah, I can see the screws right through there. Right through there. And I could have just undone them like this. Ooh, I almost can't. Huh. Oh, okay, that's the wrong bit. Okay, I thought I was good for a second, but that is the wrong bit. Why do I have 15 decking screw bits in this thing. It's my deck needs screwing. That's why, baby. That's why, baby. Let's close that. Oh, oh shoot. I might be retarded. Let's take these screws out and get the actual, not the actual kit. This is pretty good. I'll get the one that is better suited for electronic stuff. Not that this isn't electronic stuff. I mean, it is. But this one also does electronic stuff in its own special way. Okay. This one. Tuck those bad boys in there. I'm missing my screwdriver. That is not good. Wow. Okay. Way to hurt me like that. I guess I'm just gonna go drive off a bridge. Never again. Not even once. It's just these, the pressures. It just keeps happening. It just keeps going, and that's what hurts. That's what makes it hard. I just can't catch a break. Is my torch up and running? Ow! I just blinded myself. This torch is way too strong. Now the center of my vision is gone. I can't see. I'm literally blind in the center of my vision. Ow. Ow. I don't know why I did that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm recovering. It's non-permanent. There's still a dark portion in the center of my... This is the strongest torch I have in my room. Holy cow. Look at that. Why is it so strong? It's small. It's just a little torch knife thing. I'm blinded. Almost. I can't even see the screws. My night vision is gone. I literally can't... Okay, there we go. I can go by tactile feel. I can't see it. Come on. There we go. I have to go by the screw feel. Oh, there we go. Looks like I know what I'm doing. Which I don't, but I mean... It's not like anyone's gonna know. If what's the word? I'm like a really cool saying right now. If a machinist breaks something in a forest, if a machinist breaks a tool in a forest, does it really count? Does it really make a sound? No. If a machinist breaks a tool in a forest. Hold on. If a machinist breaks a tool in a forest, does it really make a sound? No, it doesn't. That's kind of dumb. If a machinist breaks a tool in a forest, does he really have to pay for it? Does it add? No. Does it add to the quota? I don't know. I'm not familiar with machinist lingo. So enough to actually comment on it, but I don't know. Well, I mean, they've got their own things. How can I think so? No. So this in here has like 15 screws that I have to take off, and I have to take off the walls first before I can separate them. But I need to get in there. I have to take the head of the machine off, which is a process that I literally cannot do from here. I have to take the machine apart because I can't undo the rods that hold it. I have to take oh, I don't know. There's a literal rat's nest in here. What the heck? What is this? Oh, it's just filament. Oh. I don't know who used this before. What is this? It's like a heating element. I have to. This is terrible. Come on, look at this. Those Gen Z. No, it's more actually. It's actually millennials. Look at this. You've got your fidget cube. I've got my printer on button. Look at that. Does that come up on the? Does that come up on the audio? Huh? Huh? If I slam it hard enough against the desk, it comes up. Oh yeah. I don't need no fidget cube. I'm already. Okay. I reckon we just undo this screw and we'll see where we go from there. Oh, what harm can come from just taking off a screw? That's a short screw. What harm can come off from just taking off a? What harm can you get from just a short screw? Just ask me, man. There we go. No, I'm wholly professional. You better shut your mouth. I need to expand the message in the bottom of the stream. I'm gonna make it better. I do a lot better when there's no one looking. As soon as some people come and start looking at me, when it's like performance anxiety, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And those screws are all into the wall there, and those ones are all into the wall there. This is literally insane. Luckily, my screwdriver fits. Otherwise, I'd be screwed. Pun intended. Actually, that's not a good pun. Because I have to be unscrewed, and so if I say, luckily my screwdriver fits, otherwise I'd be screwed, I can't say pun intended, because I need to unscrew. So if I say my screwdriver, when I was screwing it in, and then I said my screwdriver fit, or no, if I was screwing the screws in, and then said, my screwdriver didn't fit, I'm screwed. That's a pun. That's the good pun. Now, if I say, if I put my screwdriver into the case, and I then say, I'm screwed, it doesn't work because I'm unscrewing the screw. So it's not a pun anymore. It's a limited. It's a faulty observation. No, it's not a faulty observation. It's just not a pun. Okay. People don't know what a pun is anymore. People stare at you, say you make a well-crafted pun, and they just stare at you blankly. It's terrible. The modern world has gone down the drain. I don't even know if this screw goes into anything, but I'm taking it out anyway. It just goes into a little grommet that's been shoved in there. So I'm probably taking these out for no purpose. But I've got a bit of a mental condition, which means I have to completely disassemble everything before leaving it in a pile for 3 months. So we'll go with that. Hold on, let me just look that up. Oh, look at that magnetic screwdriver. Wow. I don't even know where those come from. They came from the front. Those came from inside. This is a trick question. I'm just... Hey, Johnny, I'm going to need you to go there. I'm going to need you to unscrew all the 3D printers for me, Johnny. But boss, there's too many for me, boss. I can't do it. And I come from a terrible place. We're Boston. Boss, I can't do it. Johnny, if you don't, it's his Russian boss. He's on the phone with him. Bring, 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 bring. And he goes, Johnny, where are my results? Where are my results? Oh shoot, I'm just throwing those in the wrong pile. Where are my results? He says, hey, Christoph, long time no speak, man. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go get those soon, man. I've just been busy. I've just been way busy, bro. I just can't get to it right now. Whatever it is. Well, no, this is not how we run the business, Christoph. You know, this is not how we run the business, Charlie. Oh my goodness. I can't. I need to get in there with a shorter screwdriver. No, we can do it. As long as I just press on. So he goes, this is not how we run the business, Charlie. Where I come from, because he always has to be like where he comes from, because, you know, Russia's always worse than anywhere else. Yeah, sure, okay, drama queen. Anyway, and he's like, where I come from, when people like you mess up the deal, they'll throw me in the boat in the well and left it for 3 days. Then we test their metal to see. They test their metal. The earth will judge whether or not they are fit to live. Boss, you gotta give me more time. Gotta give me more time. Gotta give me more time, boss. I can't do it. I can't do it in just 24 hours, boss. You're going to have to. Otherwise, I'm going to kill you. Understand? I can't get the illegal. Oh, if you just broke off, that would be so nice. If you just snapped into 1,000 pieces, that would be so nice. If you just died and never came back, that would be great. Oh, you know what would make my day? Make my day. If you just died and never came back, that would just make my day completely. Absolutely, amazingly, incredible, completely. If I just never saw your face again, then maybe we could be friends. Nod. Thought. It's a little joke I like to play on people. I say, maybe we'll be friends, and then I say nod. Because I'm not gonna be friends with them ever. There's like 1,000,000 spiders on my roof. I need to clean them off and delete them. I almost just knocked all my screws out of my piles. I will not pay for the funeral of a woman who is not my wife. How does that meme go? I will not fund the funeral of a female who isn't my wife. What right do I have to pay for the funeral of a woman who is not my wife? I need to remember how the meme actually goes. It's actually pure. It's like amazing. It might be the funniest thing on the internet, and I don't even know how it goes. I'm fake, I'm fraud. How do you get this out? Don't tell me. Do not tell me. If it is too complex, then I guess it will have to stay. Oh, look! Wow, that just pulls off, just like that. Wow. Oh, and that gives me access to the... You know what? Screw it. I don't care anymore. I'm taking it all off. I'm taking it off. It's not. I'm not even... They're like, oh, you want easy access to the printer head? Well, we've got you covered. There's no requirement to... I'm stuck to my cat. There's no requirement for you to disassemble the whole printer just to get to the printer head. There's no need. Well, Johnny. Well, Bucko. I'll tell you what. I need to get to that printer. The burning desire in my gizzard. Well, I mean, you should be able to come off on this. Stopping you. And the small screws. Do I have to take this off? How do I take this off? I gotta take all the screws off the bottom. Saw that from the top. Now I have to take them off from the bottom. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh no. Look, if it's just if I can make it small and cute, I'd like that more. Like a big thing to look around. If I can actually make the printer smaller, view it from all sides. Because this whole shell, I might even just throw it away. It's useless to me. Makes me sad, angry, nauseated, constipated.
Listening to 24/7 online radio.
Yeah. Say that again. You can say that again. Little naked Elu printer. Elu mini. Up mini printer. Friggin' $400 printer. Oh, there's an ant. Hello. Hey, little guy. There is no way, if I could put him on the end of this, climb onto my finger, eat your flag. He'll walk all the way around. He's just gonna climb through the gap there. Climb to my finger. Wait. Wait. Here we go. Oh shoot. Hold on. I gotta do this in real time. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. There he is. Little ant. Antoneigh. Where is he? He died! No! Oh, there he is. There he is. Crawling on my hand. Antoneigh. Adorable. There you go, you can sit there. There you go, stay. Sit. 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 Good boy. He's sat. He's just sitting there. I hope I didn't kill him or hurt him. Sit. Sit. Antoneigh, sit. Hey, sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Antoneigh. Good boy. Sit. No, sit. Sit. Okay, well, I guess I'm not that great of an owner. Sit. Our pet ant. Our stream pet ant. I just zoom up on this bush. I don't know if I can do. There's no way I don't know if the resolution's good enough for that. Hold on. Where is my phone? Where is my cellular device that I use to communicate? I've hidden it. And I've replaced it with Japanese visual novel music. Okay, Google. Oh, there it is. Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of Antoneigh. And we can all love him together. There we go. Okay, now I gotta send him to myself somehow. Wait. No, go up, go up. Go up. Don't leave your little pedestal, you little ant. Ow. Okay, well, it looks like he lives inside the lamp now. Shove that over there. Hopefully it doesn't annoy me. Little Antoneigh. How do I get that to myself? I'll have to sign into Discord or something. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How do you send stuff to yourself? How do you do that? I don't have Dropbox. I don't have. I have Google. Oh, okay. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, I can create a Google link, but then I'm gonna have to type in this disgusting link. Yes. Photos dot app dot go slash 7 ENIDYDZ. Why is this such a complex hash? 3R 2UH 75Y. There we go. Antoneigh. Oh, I got him. Why is this image so low quality? There he is. Ugh, my lamp is dirty. Now it's going to show up on the image. It's going to make me very self-conscious. Okay, I'm gonna have to add it. I don't know where I'm gonna put him. Put him up the top right. Somehow. Oh, okay, hold on. I'll dress him up in paint. I'll make him pretty. Edit in Paint 3D. I'm literally listening to the Japanese VA freaking. Do I even have paint on this computer? Yes, I do. %of my CPU is already used up on streaming, so I don't know what. Oh, I keep my. Yep, there we go. That feels about normal. Right, Antoneigh. There. Never mind. Can I just drag this in? Oh, I can. Don't know why that was so hard. This, zoom out. Select this. Into the corner. There we go. And then we draw a little bow on him. Like this. No, we're gonna make it. This is literally. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go insane from this music. There we go. Screw it. Screw it. Add. Browse. There we go. Antoneigh. Put him there. Then we add some text. Can I make it? I wish I could make it like smaller, but I don't know if I can actually change the size of the text. I can. Okay, well, I'm sure. There you go. That's Antoneigh. Select color. Purple. There we go. That's Antoneigh. Comic Sans. There we go. Antoneigh. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Where can I put this that I don't run into it constantly? I mean, this is insane. There we go. I love it. Oops. Don't do that. This is a mess. This poor little laptop running max speed now. Struggling so hard. There we go. Look at that. Almost done. Well, we'll see. Got my singing monsters running in the background. I'll have to go and check it at some point. My bed over there is just completely covered in trash at the moment. So before I even go to bed, I'm going to have to spend like 20 minutes sorting it all out. Because everything that was on this desk, I removed for the stream. That's how dedicated I am. Because I don't care about my own feelings. I'm a people pleaser. I'd rather you're happy. You know, if you're happy, I'm happy. Oh, yes. What are you kidding me? How do I undo that? I need this for the screwdriver. If only I had my other screwdriver. If I stop caring about being gentle, I'll just take it off. No, I swear that's catch. I've taken all those screws off. What if I just go? Man, don't even know what that is. And what's to stop me from just breaking? Break it easy. What these components are. Snap, snap, snap. Oh, they're like actual stuff on the side. Oh, that's the power button. Ugh. Why do you do this to me? Just let me pull you apart. I want to break this off so badly. I want to break this off so badly. Because this center frame that it's all mounted on is quite solid. Is rather solid. Exceedingly solid. Wow, that's kind of weird. I don't know if there's any drop frames or anything. Okay, well, since it's open, if I can take the head of this thing off, then I can. And does this come off? This is so tightly put together and so well constructed. Oh, I like undo the fasteners on this side, and then it like sort of drops off, and then I just drop it off the other side. This is ridiculous. This is gonna be too large of my life. Look at that. It's got a friggin' spring washer and a normal washer. Why is it so complex? I don't even know what screws go where anymore. Okay, calm down. If I can just put that plate. There you go. And then this. Just can I go over there? Where the heck is this come from? It's tension on the back, I'm sure. Why is this uneven? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. It shouldn't be uneven. Alright, I reckon a couple of things. Firstly, I untension this band, I might be able to get it up over the servo. So this band, it's like a band, and then it's got like a spring that goes over it. I can't model it with my fingers, I'm not dexterous enough. But it's a band with a spring that goes over it, like that. I see where the camera is. And it like tensions it as it goes through it. And if I can get it off, then at least I might be able to pull the band off the servo, or do I just say screw it and just brute force? When is indiscriminately pulling on something ever done humanity wrong? Actually, more importantly, when has it ever done me wrong? I don't know. Humanity can sort of screw. They can do whatever they want. That is a tensioner that's like mounted on them. Why can't it just come off with this? Oh, it can. Oh. There we go. Can you not lift up fully anymore? Okay. Right, let's see if I can take this one. Okay. Then thread that out over there. Maybe. This doesn't look like a lot on the camera. I don't think I can get much better lighting maybe if I show it there. Which you don't understand. The whole point isn't good lighting. Okay? You come here, none of you, for me. That's the point. That's the reason. You're not here for the great lighting or the excellent commentary on, social issues or... No, you're here for me. For me! That sounds so dumb, so terrible. Give me your head. And you like bend it under so that it forms a hump so I can pull it out. I just don't want to crack these wires. Oh my goodness, that was too hard. Alright, so this is the printer head. Down there. So this is the entire printer head here. So what's happened is the heating element on this side, which is not very clearly displayed because of the low resolution, is basically just gunked up to no end. And then because the servo that pushes this wire into it apparently is acting up. So I gotta fix that. Otherwise, we have space now. So now with my newfound space, I can unscrew these tiny little screws on the ends that hold this handle here. And then that should mean that should be problem solved, I suppose. I don't even know what this music is. It's like a fake Christmas. I don't know what I'm unscrewing, but I'm just unscrewing. If you're in my chat, you better make proper puns. If you don't make proper puns, I'm gonna destroy you, delete you from existence. I'm gonna mulch you into a couple 100,000 tiny pieces. And that's a promise. What did I even do? I don't know what I just did. Okay, these are just the aluminium stand-up. Never mind. Give, thank you. Okay, yeah. Oh! They were the limits, thank goodness. I hate this thing. I'm never putting it back. I don't know what to do with it. Okay. Oh! Glorious. Gloria! Okay. So on this side, there's just the on button here that I need to remove. I need to let loose. Not that it shows up on stream very well, because I'm looking at 30 seconds behind. Let's see how it looks here. Ah, it's perfect. I can't see both at the. It was my. There we go. I can't see both at the same time. I can either look at the current time, the current stream, or the like massively delayed YouTube stream, which slowly delays itself more and more. I don't know. From my perspective. There we go. What are you doing? Oh, I don't know. I'm screwing a million things. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be 3D printing new housings for everything. What the heck is that? That is an aluminium pad. That doesn't bridge between anything. No, that's the switch, and that's a light. Okay. Why is there like a conductive pad here? What? Look at this. This is the underside of the on button. There we go. Underside of the on button, and it's like got an aluminium pad on there. Bring closer to the camera, closer to the sky. Fuck you, camera. Look at that. Ah, look at that. I mean, I don't know. I really want to just throw most of this trash away. I just want the bare metal printer. Oh, there's even filament in the hole. I don't know if I'll be getting this working tonight, but we'll see. So yeah, the whole problem with these printers, I don't know whether it's that the firmware or something, but it seems that they really enjoy slamming their print heads against the build plate. It's like they've got like one goal, they just cannot get enough of just ramming it against the build plate. They just love that. I don't know if I can necessarily disassemble it more, because the more I take it apart, I can't take this plate off. That's kind of stuck. This is the build area on this side. Maybe I can take this plastic thing off. Oh yeah, I can. Look at that. Oh, I have to unscrew it off the bottom. I'm sure. Just the more I take off, the less I have to deal with. That's the point. Well, and the more rubbish accumulates around on the floor. See, okay, there we go. So it's these screws here, I'm sure. think. This music is so beautiful. It's making me very confused. Google tell from my side, trash. What the heck is this? Is that an antenna? There's an antenna running through this. What am I supposed to do with that? And it's soldered on? Are you kidding me? And another one of these things. Why would they do that? Why would they have an antenna running through this arm? Wireless is like a thing of the past, bro. USB-A wired is where it's at. You know, with all the friggin' problems you get from wireless, isn't it? My computer wants to update. Don't. And I say that seriously. And I don't mean it in a non-serious manner. I mean it in the most serious manner I can express. Just hold my hand and I'll sail away into the stars. I'm gonna break this wire off. I'm gonna break this wire off with my extremely bright torch. Which knife? I can like peruse my knives like this. I don't have that many. I side-eye the camera aggressively. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what its purpose is. I just cracked it out. It's a chipboard with some copper plates on it in a peculiar pattern. We don't need that. We actually don't need it. Can I get this out? I could probably pull it out without snapping it off. I'm an idiot. That's alright, I've got a soldering iron about 400 kilometers away. I'm just gonna pick that up at some point. No, I wouldn't have been able to get it through that hole. Alright, take that trash off. Put it there. Don't run into it. Look at all this like trash that builds up because it's like a big cavity under it. Who thought that this printer was a good idea? Now, this is all attached. If I take this off, I have to manage the freaking face of this. I think it would be funny, but I think I'm gonna reprint all these components. See if I can print it in the build volume here. That should be good. In a couple minutes, I'm gonna take a little stream break because I'm thirsty, and a thirsty gamer is a worsty gamer. Yeah, I said that. I said that. That's a quote from me to you. Personally. I want you to remember that and believe it. Just like Justin Bieber believed in me. Just like how he believed in me. How we came to know each other on that sultry Italian shoreline. How she wrapped her arms around me and I looked her deep in her brown eyes. I said, "Mi amore," and she said, "Why the hell are you talking like that?" I said, "I was just trying to be romantic. It's like kind of the dialect they speak around here." And she said, "You know, whenever you talk like that, it just makes you sound like an idiot." I said, "Honey, sweetie, baby doll, there's more to life than just struggle and pain and hardship." She said, "Yeah, well, you don't have to keep bloody talking like that. You sound like an idiot." Don't say those things. Let us not spend another breath, wasted, abated, left in the dark. This is a stupid little LED strip up top. Why can we not just be together just this once, in solidarity?
Oh, you will if you wanna, but you know, it's more bedtime soon.
The look in your eyes tonight, it will be a memory that I will cherish for the rest of my life. My heart will swell upon each moment that I reflect on this moment, which will reflect in our eyes, in our hearts, this very moment.
Oh, you're saying a lot of funny things. I reckon I like it.
A baby, my sweet baby doll. Please, no more of these sayings. What the heck am I looking at? One day there will be none but left but us, but you will see what life will be without me.
Oh, you don't have to be so bloody dramatic. You know, I've got a couple of good years. I'll stop smoking. I haven't really stopped drinking, but you know. Why are you talking so negative all the time?
Oh, but if it was only so easy.
You are listening to 24/7
Weird.
online radio.
Is this a little Allen key? What is this? Oh, it's a little lock. Sorry, I can't describe much what's happening other than it is just absolutely terrifyingly inconvenient. Extremely inconvenient. All these friggin'... The problem is it's so strong, and just everything is so weak in comparison to me. Antoneigh, I don't know who put this thing together, but they need to be paid more than the minimum wage in Thailand that they are being paid, because it's ridiculous to put all these components together and manage it. Because what, you probably have to put it in reverse of how I'm disassembling it. I have to be disassembling it in a similar way to how I think. Oh crap, what did I just do? Oh, I broke out a random piece of plastic. Okay. I thought I just broke something. It's mine. I want to break. This is such a hard... It's a freaking pin stuck in plastic. I don't know why I'm struggling so much with it. Oh. That was satisfying. Look, I'll show you. So it was this thing. Where is it? Oh, yes. It's warm in my hand because of all the energy I imparted on it. Where is it? So this little pin here. There. That was stuck up to the elbow along this long portion. Why is that so sultry? Along this long portion all the way in plastic. I like jewel marketers. I think they're funny. Because I don't think they care about what they market. I just like that they stare, although they're constantly like showing off all their goods and stuff. Oh, we've got these diamonds from Peru. Only $5,000 special offer. And then this whole thing is just crap, by the way. It's just absolute trash. I'm gonna be fixing it up with itself. That's the beauty. I hope I just haven't like broken off like 1,000 resistors and split these wires into pieces and completely ruined it and doesn't even boot. Because that'll be very sad. Okay. Can we just get off there so I can just throw this piece of plastic away and stay? Yeah, looks like I put this on. What is this thing? There's like a weird Clip Master 3000 thing. Where's my light? Pacha!
boom, boom, boom. Not look at the blues for you, babe. Babe. And I love the way you sing. Ooh, babe. Don't you ever look away from me now. Ooh, sweetie. Honey. My lovely baby. Now don't you cry when I say goodbye from your baby. Oh, baby. There's all these ribbon cables I have to get out, and I cannot remember how they work. Because you have to sort of, do I just pull this out? Okay, that's fine. Ooh, kid. Because they've got like a weird locking. I'm gonna have to keep this yellow tape here. Otherwise I'm gonna forget which one's which. Stay. There we go. So that was all for this. Just so that I can pull these cables through so I can get this plastic off. Oh, life is so terrible. Look at this. Gross. Absolutely falling over. I'm actually just gonna throw this away. I'm actually just gonna throw all this trash. I just gotta stroke trash plastic away. And there's so much stuff inside here as well. Why did they make it like this? Look at this piece of crap. Take that off. Use it in something else. I'm gonna put it in my bathroom. Whenever I flush, it's gonna flash at me and try and give me an epileptic fit. And I can get some use out of it. Dang it, I can't remember which way this went. Does it matter? Yeah, it probably does. Okay, contacts. I'm guessing contacts down. My tummy wombling. Damn, this is a really good like blues or rock song. I wish I could share it with somebody. I've got 2 loyal followers, but they're never here. They're not even, you know what? They're not even loyal followers. They're fake. Fake fraud. Fake and fraud. Okay. Oh, we're gonna use this now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah. I am feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. So good. This is a little on switch. More like off. Here we go. Okay, cool. So we've got everything separated, and we've got the trash taken off. What's the voltage on this bad boy? Can I just power it up? It doesn't even tell me. 24 volts. I don't have anything. I'm useless. That's a freaking antenna. This is the front of the machine. We've got all the trash taken off. So now I can finally touch it. Let me throw this rubbish. The rubbish just accumulates. Okay. So if I guess I'll just put it together and see what happens. Trying to heat up the nozzle. Is this a touchscreen? I don't even know whether this was a touchscreen or not. I don't know how to control this. Do I have to plug it into the computer for what? To be able to control it. What is this disgusting thing called again? The Up Mini. So let's get Up Mini 3D. Up Mini 3D printer software. Wait a second. Why does it give me USB ports, but I don't have a place to plug in a USB? What? Wait. It gave me USB ports, but I can't plug a USB in? Oh, I can in the back. Okay. Okay. And then I have my little screen here, which I took the CD tape off and I can't find it. I don't even have non-conductor tape. Amazon time. So I need 3D printed filament. I don't know what size filament this takes. It looks to be about 1.75. Yeah, I just guessed that from just looking at it. Time to go Amazon shopping, everyone. Can I connect this? First support immunity, time materials. Oh, that's nice. But I want you to, can I connect it? This thing has leveling? No, it doesn't. You lie. This does not have leveling. I have to manually level it. Oh, something fell. Oh, this is plastic. It says this is leveling. It's literally lying. What the heck is this? Ew. Hello, sailor. What is that? It's just a fan and a hole. This is so bad. This head is terrible for printing. Okay, we'll keep that open then. I literally have to disassemble this trash as well. I have to plug it in and just heat it up and just pray. It does not have dimensional. Did he? Oh, I know what he did. He flashed the wrong firmware onto it, and then it went to level itself and just went into the thing. This is a nice little cable management thing. It's like heavy as if it's got metal in it. It does have metal in it. Okay. So the aluminium bracket is pretty tough. Okay. But what I want to see is if I can control with the USB. This is just the up mini is. Okay, well, apparently they don't even believe my printer works anymore. Up Mini 1. Up Studio 3. Up Studio 3. Okay. Oh, there's a forum. My mouse does not work. Okay. My mouse is intermittently dying. Yes. "90-degree thermostat, which can be found Googling." Okay, I'm gonna have to upgrade this printer as well. Up Studio. Okay, guess we're downloading Up Studio 3 on the old crappy laptop. Up Studio 3. This thing, it physically won't be able to run everything at the same time. I'm sure of that. Got 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. It's gonna want, if you ask me to restart my computer to install this thing, flip. And I can't even do a backflip. Okay, I guess we're getting Up Studio. So, I guess I put the printer head back on. At that point. And then make sure that's oriented correctly. Oh, I don't even know. Oh, it works inside there. Interesting. Okay. Okay. There's a tensioner here that I can't even manually tension. Insane. Come on. At least that cable is a little bit thicker than a ribbon cable. So we need to get that around the tensioner, most definitely. And then if we can get it around that as well, I think we'll be happy. I can't remember. Oh, it's this. It's the screws with the Come on. It's the screws with the washers and spring washers. That's the ones that go here. Just trying to remember what goes here. Yeah. Okay, screw it. Pun intended. I'm gonna put those back on. Go out to all your friends and family. If they don't know how to use properly unintended puns, just disown them. It's not that hard. Oh, that's a flathead. It's not that hard to figure out whether it's actually a pun or not. Did you download Up Studio, or did you just give me the wrong impression? No, you did not download. What are the system requirements? I do have Windows 7 on hand. I do have more than 4 GB of RAM. We'll get the Windows 64-bit stable release. I think I'm on 64-bit Windows. I don't know how old this is. I reckon I'll probably have to stream for like maybe 4 hours, 5 hours before I get one person, but we'll see. Oh shoot, calm down, calm down. And then, wait, this is some yogurt, no, this is Yogurt the Culture. And then I'll have to clip it and put it on Yogurt Curdle. Because we're a bit more, not intense, but we're a little less formal there. You know what I'm saying? Why do I keep dropping behind the actual front of the stream? This is insane. But we're a little less formal on Yogurt Curdle. You know what I'm saying? I've got a sly little smirk on my face right now. Antoneigh. Oh shoot. It's midnight. It's midnight. And I always have to go check my singing monsters. I've been at this for friggin' 3 hours. Just because I don't want to break anything. If I'm being honest, the reason I take so long is because I don't want to break anything. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta be a man. Be a bit more aggressive. Come on. Get on there, bruv. Right, we'll go this way. Push on. There we go. That's pretty tight, no tension at lost. Okay. Now we have to plug it back in. We have to plug the power in. We have to make sure the software works. And then I have to just heat this head up until it melts out the problem. and I don't even have a stick stuck in there to clean it out. And I've got plastic pieces of trash all over here, and I want to throw them all away. Leave me alone. Do I have anything I can clean out that head with? You need a metal spike. That's a plastic spike. You just don't get good metal spikes these days. I've got like a torque bit that I can shove in there. That'll probably ruin it. Or you just don't get good metal spikes these days. Where did the days go? This barely looks straight. Oh my goodness. I can just see the internals of this is slightly off. I don't know why.
You're listening to 24/7 online radio.
Yeah, we are. Thanks. Take this back bit off? No. I don't want to take all the plastic off because there's a bunch of trash in there. It looks like in here, in the back here. That's like holding onto the plastic as a base, which again makes no sense. Why do you have a nice metal frame and then like have a crappy plastic base? Oh shoot, I should have messaged in chat and told everyone that I returned. There we go. At least everyone knows that I returned now. That was the important bit. That was the important bit. Antoneigh. Antoneigh. Tier time. Okay, I've downloaded the software. And there's a USB port in the back of this thing. So I have to unwrite. All of my CPU is dedicated to OBS right now, my dude. Now you want to use it to, I have to extract a file. Disgusting. Filthy. Abhorrent. You terrible, ugly program. I hope you fail. I mean, I actually really hope you don't. Come on now. Come on, bad boy. Come on. Almost there. You're almost there. Right, just a little bit. There we go. It's a good thing I'm not streaming my desktop. You'd see that I've downloaded a bunch of EDM music. And that would be really embarrassing if that came out. I don't want to run this application yet. Hold on. We're not gonna run that application. We're not gonna run that yet. Okay, at the 2-hour mark, we're going to take a quick stream break. Chat rate. Oh my goodness, I keep chatting to myself. That's good. Maybe I should have a viewer for my phone so it like pushes me up a couple thousand ranks. Wireless is like a thing in the past, bro. USB wired is where it's at. Remember one thing? Open chip. My computer wants to update. Don't. And I say that seriously. Just watching myself because I think I'm really interesting. It's basically just a checkup.
it says it says this really fine. Okay. I think I'm going to take a quick break. And I'll be back a little bit later. In like 5 minutes. You'll probably hear me milling around as I do things. I'm literally just going to be over there playing my singing monsters and drinking a drink. I'll be back. I'm just going to mute myself. Alright, well, it is midnight for me, so I think I'm probably gonna be done. In any case, I'll continue this tomorrow night, working on it. Or maybe I'll work on it through the day and just start streaming at some point to my brilliant one viewer, which is me. He's pretty chill, he's nice, and he doesn't say rude words, so I kind of like him. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. So until then, catch you all later. This is Yogurt signing out.